Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2016 Honda Accord. The cabin air filter is going to be located in the passenger side behind the glove box. We're going to be using the Honda OEM part. This is the part number. First thing you're going to want to do is open the glove box. Make sure you have everything removed from the inside. And on the left side, you're going to have a tab that you're going to want to unhook. You unhook it just by pulling on the glove box just like this. And on the right side, you're going to have another one. Now before we do that, this little hinge right here, you're going to want to remove it by pushing down on it. And then just lift up just so it detaches from the glove box. Then you can grab both sides, push them in, and then you can pull down the glove box. And in the back you'll find the cabin air filter housing. Go ahead and push in the 2 pins on the side or 2 clips, and then you can remove the cover. Once you remove the cover, it will expose the cabin air filter. Go ahead and just reach in and pull on out. So we're going to go ahead and open up the cabin air filter. You're going to want to look for the airflow arrows right here. They're pointing down. And then when you look inside, you're going to find that the airflow arrows are telling you to point that downwards. So just match these up and then just slide in the new cabin air filter with the arrows pointing down. Here the arrows pointing down. And then just slide it on in. When I installed this, it was a little snug on both sides. But just go in, try to go in as evenly as possible. Once it goes all the way in, the clips just go in easily. Just push in on both sides till you hear that clip. And then we got to put the airbox back on. Remember the 2 pins on the side. Push in and then lock it into place. So you're going to want to grab the left side and the right side. You're going to want to push in on them as you pull up. And then it'll lock it into place like that. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the hinge here. Snap it back into place. When you hear that snap, that means it has been installed. You can give it a quick test. And that's the end of the video. So if you liked the video, please leave a like. If you learned something, if I helped you save some money, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.